In this video, you will learn how to install your Guardian smoke detector. Important: you will need to put your system on test mode before you begin your installation. This is to ensure authorities are not sent due to an accidental alarm going off. Go to guardianprotection.com and log into your Guardian account. Select Testing My System on the right-hand side. Then simply follow the steps provided. Your system will be on test mode for 4 hours. For this installation, you may need a step stool or ladder, and you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's get your smoke detector ready to be programmed. Inside the box, you'll find your smoke detector, mounting screws, and 3 AAA batteries. Remove the back cover of the smoke detector and stop there. Go to your home security panel. Select the top menu bar. Select Settings. Select Advanced Settings and enter in your master code. Select Security Sensors and then Auto Learn. You will now install the 3 AAA batteries supplied in the smoke detector box. Once the batteries are installed properly, it will take approximately 4 seconds for the new smoke detector to populate the added sensor screen. You can name the sensor from the top right corner using the drop-down menu. Then select Add New. You'll receive a notification from the panel that the smoke detector was added successfully. Note: you may also receive a notification on your panel that your smoke detector has been tampered. Don't worry, you're only receiving this message because the device has not yet been installed. You can delete this message once your smoke detector is installed. Next, you'll need to perform a cellular test on your security panel to ensure your new device is communicating properly with Guardian Protection. Select the top menu bar. Select Settings. Select Advanced Settings, then enter your master panel code. Select System Tests. Select Cellular Test. Select the Start button. And now it's time to install your new smoke detector. But first, here are some tips. Do not install your smoke detector in or around a bathroom, near ceiling fans, near windows, near sliding glass doors, or near cooking appliances. Okay, on to your installation. Utilizing the mounting screws provided, mount the base of the detector in the area you'd like to have the fire protection in your home. Line up the arrows of the smoke and the base and turn clockwise to lock it in place. Next, you'll need to test the system to make sure the new detector is working properly. To do this, press the test button on the smoke detector for 5 seconds. An alarm activation is indicated by the flashing red LED, the sounder, and the transmission of the alarm signal to the control panel. The smoke detector will restore to normal when the test button is released. Finally, you can head back to your tampered notification and delete. That's it! You're all set. Return to your online Guardian account or contact us at 1-800-PROTECT, 1-800-776-8328 to remove your system from test mode.